Do you want to start content creation and you need a very good background to shoot your video with no or low cost? All you have to do is to stick to the end of this video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can shoot your video with any background while you add your preferred and beautiful background. Go ahead and record your video on whatever background you plan to use on your video. The sweetest part in content creation is that you have to get started with whatever you have, with how you are and where you are. Yes, because as time goes on you keep improving, but for now you can shoot your video on any background of your choice. The first thing you have to do is to make sure you get a very good lighting, and if you don't have enough money to buy enough lighting like LED light or ring light, make sure you are shooting your video beside your window so as to get more lighting in your video. And the second thing is that shoot your video in whatever background you wish to use. After that, let's head to our CapCut app, where I will be teaching you on how to change your background to whatever you want to use in your video. So stay tuned to the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So on your CapCut, click on expand. We have to generate a background for our video. Then click on text to image. Text to image. We are going to tell CapCut to generate a background for us. So click on text to image, where you write whatever you want this AI to generate for you as a background. You can say generate a sitting room background with frame. Then you have all of this. You can then select whatever you want. So let me just download the one of my choice. Click on it, then click on save. At the down part of your screen, click on save. So the image has been saved to our phone. Now let's try and generate another one. Let's say let us tell the AI to generate a studio background for us. So generate a studio background. So let me just write it again, like generate a YouTube studio background. Let me say generate a YouTube studio background. So let's click on generate again. Wow, this is what generated for me. So I will have to select one of it. I can select this, then click on save at the down part of my screen. So it is saved already. Then click on the icon beside retouch to go back to our previous interface. So here we are. Click on new project to import the background that we just generated. The first thing we have to import is our background. Can you see I clicked on add? So we have to import our background before anything, even before importing our video. So after that, click on overlay. Click on overlay down there. So click on add overlay, then import your video, the one you want to remove the background. So let's import our video, then click on add. So this is the video. Make sure you enlarge the video on the screen. Make sure you enlarge it. So let's play our video. Can you see it? Remove the background of the video we just imported. So click on the video timeline, then let's go to remove BG. Can you see remove BG? Click on it, click on auto remover, then our background will be removed. Can you see it is removed? So after, then click on this mark icon. Can you see? Click on mark icon. Now let's play our video. Can you see? The background is still under processing. Can you see one on the screen? So you have to make sure that this background that we imported, click on it. We drag it to the end of the video so that it covers all the video. So our background is not yet removed. They are not all removed, so it is under processing. So we have to hold on for it. So our background is not yet ready. Our background is removed, but it's not yet ready. Can you see this? and then click on the subscribe button so that whenever I have a video like this, you'll be notified. That is that on how to put a background to your video. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video.